Hey y'all, hey. So we are back with Plan Miss Day 13, and I have a package here for the collab event, and today we're going to open some Happy Meal. These are some Black Friday purchases that I have. I'm going to run through real quick. I appreciate all the views that you all have been giving me and giving my videos. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And as I rip open this envelope, let's see. 13. Okay, so this is ootpstencils.com. Oh, I'm excited. I love a good stencil. Let's see what's going on in here. All right. All right. So we have some ink. Oh, and it's a pretty blue, or it looks like a blue, yeah. And then let's see what we have here. We have some stencils. Okay, so this is a whole project because this is like a bookmark maybe. And let's see. And these are different shapes. You got like a clover and some flowers and roses and some ivy. Let's read. It said, I hope you enjoy this bookmark kit from the Order of the Planner Stencils. This kit is designed to give you the tools to use your new stencils to make a bookmark or use them in your planner for things like a washi strip or a sidebar. That is neat, and I am excited about that. All right, so in Plan Miss, we're going to open some planner stickers. Okay, and I have a couple that I've taken a look at and I wanted to share, and we're going to start with um, Belisi Casa. And I joined their monthly subscription. They have a letter subscription. It's fairly decent price, and I really like that sticker. So that was an opportunity to try out the sticker. So this is a deco with the Christmas, and here's some winter vibes. I didn't want to get so many Christmas things. I couldn't use them outside of Christmas, but those are nice. This is more like the home, country home, winter home cabin with the snow. And I'm in Texas, so that's the only way I'm pretty much gonna see that probably. And then these blues are gorgeous, and it's a sweater with windows and and with this print here with the blue and white. That is gorgeous. Then I have the gingerbread. I love that. Those are really nice. And then so a couple extras. These are cute. These are really nice. And then we have two more pages of the winter thing. So that is belisicasa.com. We have a Perky's Papery. Now, I know I purchased this red cardinal because the red cardinal is supposed to be significant of your angel or somebody from that passed on coming to see you. And maybe the second week since I've been here in Texas, it was about the second week I was there. Here at this home, I saw two cardinals. Haven't seen them since, but I was having a really hard day, and I was looking out my back window, and I saw these cardinals sitting right where they could see me. And so this is very significant at that point because I was having a hard time. It's holidays, always on my mind and forever in my heart. Perky's Papery. Then we have some more gingerbread. That's cute because I have gingerbread over there. I'm gonna put those things together. Calories don't count at Christmas. And then we have a home kit here, and I like that. That's really nice with just being at home for the holidays, New Year's, and that's exactly where I'll be. Um, and then coffee cup sticker icons I ordered, and this is 0 days without buying stickers, and it's the card from Perky's Papery. It's Brandy over there as the owner, and that is really nice. We have Moody Cats, and I want to say a shout out to Moody Cats because when this order first attempted to be delivered to my home, my good old postal service said the address did not exist and returned it back to Moody Cats. Um, I reached out to them and I apologized for that. And I said they have the correct information. do you want me to pay for shipping again? Can you try resending it? And they responded and said, no, this is your first order. Let me send it back out to you. And they did. So this package is full of nice stuff, and the theme is Moody Cat. Moody Cats does the drawing. So as you have a 2026, we made it here today together. Um, the freebie with all the artwork is hand drawn artwork. That is so refreshing in a day of having a lot of stickers that are already being created. And so I have some stamps here and friends and be afraid. All these are getting ready to go on my planners this is the stuff that I'm decorating my planners with. And what better opportunity to use these? And this is a vinyl sticker bag, 4 random stickers, one of each cat. That's that. I'm quite sure they have names, but I don't know them. And yeah, so this is the journaling card for that, and that's really cute. And we have some trackers. I purchased these trackers, medicine with the medicine bottle and the cats, and then there's some sticky notes, and then there's a little day of the week indicator. So you have 6 of each, and I thought that was neat. These Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I love that font. So that's so cute. And in this last envelope, bag of stickers as well. And let's see, we have a ton of sticker flakes all in the bag, different designs. Those are cute. I'm gonna put these in my reusable sticker book so I can keep track of them. The cats work shuffling papers, cooking, exercising, Taco Tuesday, tacos, um, and then garbage. It's a pointer finger to bring your attention to it. Ideas, audio books. This one looks like a calculator, finance, and cooking, and then a big sticker of all the Moody Cats. So that is really nice. I really like that, and I really appreciate the customer service. So this is Moody Cat Studio. That's moodycatstudio.com. Last but not least, we have Sticker Shine Studio. I think this is probably my second order, but it's been quite a while since I ordered from Shine Studio, and I did a Black Friday order. And so this is my first time opening this, but they had a really good deal on Black Friday. Shop Small Saturday. That weekend was super nice with deals. All right, so I love this paper. I think I ordered a plethora of things. I was just things I wanted for my planner for 2026, and just thinking of how or what I wanted to use it for. So, all right, here we go. We have the November freebie, and it has reading time and some cute little drawings there. Then there's a Advent countdown, calendar countdown to Christmas with more cats. And here's a vinyl, You Are Beautiful. That's going on the front of my planner. And I like this one. This one says, You Are My Cup of Tea. Love that. And 2026, this is going on the front of a calendar planner as well. That's super nice. And I love these bubble letterings. These are actually month tabs to go on my planner. And this is for these are for my planner tabs as well, for the back of the planner, for the month indicator. And then there's this bookmark pencil board to go in my planner for my A6. So I really like that. And here kit for my Hobonichi. I just wanted to try out to see what this was made out of. I had previously bought some that were vinyl, and this was the paper, and I like that. I don't care for the slippery stickers to write on, but this is very cute. It says good vibes. So I snatched a goodie bag, and let's see what's inside here. Known date covers. And I do have an A6. I think we were able to select the size. So this is A6 gnome day covers. That's cute. Here's some we call this the devil's lettuce with the background. And then some ice cream cones with the drippings. And this New Year's 2025, I'm not mad at because I just don't have to use the 2025. I can use everything else except the ones that have that indicator on there. And there's some Twitter stickers. So that was a grab bag. I don't use Twitter, but anyhow, we can figure out protest stickers. And then there is 2025. These are like day covers for your calendar in front of the book. So that is a nice grab bag to get with a lot of items in there. And so that is the end of my haul for today. I appreciate you coming back and watching my videos. I hope that you like, share, and subscribe, and I hope to see you tomorrow.